For the template file I showed you, many of these are just, examples to give you a flavor of things. If you work on a specific problem, you will need to specify, for example, top and bottom conditions as well, and have a think about the actual configurations. So it's not meant to be a fully contained file, but more it gives you handles for everything you may need to consider, and then how you kind of specialize it towards the particular physical problem of interest. That's pretty much the subject of the next session. So it's less a case that there are only 10 lines that you need to modify there. It's more, this gives you the full structure and all the handles that you need, and you may well end up with, say, 250 lines in total, depending on what you want to output and how you want to do it. But at least that's a decent start. So with that in mind, have at it.